This is a shoulder therapy session that starts with grounding the hands, learning how to use the palms, and how to engage the shoulder blade muscles across the back to distribute the weight. Then we tighten the back of the rotator cuff so that the humerus and the shoulder socket are snug and secure. And then we find how to expand the hands and how that affects the neck, and how to rotate the arm to bring relief to the chest. This is a full body sequence, so we address the hips, and the hips are related to the shoulders, learning how to pull and use the pulling muscles in a way that releases the neck and helps to release the hips. Now, we'll learn how to relax the neck by using the underarm muscles called the lats. The upward facing dog is an excellent pose if you know how to activate your latissimus muscles to help release the neck and counter the effects of sitting in a chair. And then doing similar process in the down dog, and really just cultivating a lot of mindfulness in those poses. Now we go into self-massage, because so much of sitting and texting and modern lifestyle brings tension to the forearms and the finger flexors and even the calf muscles. So we go through a potent sequence, and really a deeply sensational sequence of massaging the forearms, palms, calf muscles, and deeper shin muscles. Then we go to some isolated activations of the wrapping muscles. These are the muscles that wrap the shoulder blade around the rib cage and secure the shoulder blade to the ribs. Now for the final postures of upward dog and downward dog.